So there's a tip, editing with Google Photos.
Oh, this is one of I do this just for fun and relaxation. I go through my photos and just see if I can make them better. You don't have to have a bad photo in order to need editing. A good photo can be even better. So this example, I'm going to demonstrate using my Samsung because there is one feature that I just discovered doesn't seem to work on the iPhone. So here is the picture. We are so proud. We have several orchid plants out in our backyard. This one is actually producing orchids. And I just want to make a really pretty picture out of it. So I'm in Google Photos and I bring up the photo and I tap the edit button. Now, what I want to make the background kind of go away and highlight the flowers. First, I want to crop in a little bit. And you always do that first because you don't want to waste processing power on parts of the picture that you're going to get rid of anyway. So you crop it first. I'm just getting a little closer to the flowers. And if I want to make sure that it stays in the same ratio, the 16:9 that the camera took, I can tap this little button here and then 16:9, and it makes sure that however I change it, it stays at the 16:9 ratio. So I like that crop. Next, I want to go to adjustments. And I want to adjust the light and dark. That would be the highlights and the shadows. The shadows I want to be deeper shadows. So you drag the slider into the negative territory and notice how it's darkening the shadows behind the flowers. But I want the flowers, the bright parts, to stay as bright as possible. So I'll go to highlights and increase the light there. See how it just makes the brightness a little bit even brighter. All right, I'm done with that. Now I want to blur the background, and I do that with tools. And this is the one that I just discovered isn't on at least my iPhone or my iPad. It needs there to be a face in the picture in order to get this blur background. But on my Samsung, no problem. I can blur that background as much as I want. And that's good. Last thing, I'm going to add a vignette. Now, I've added a bunch of stuff here, but if you just keep playing with these editing tools in Google Photos, you'll get to know all the ones that are there. Adjustments, it's the one that has the most. I tap on adjustments, and then this row up here has a ton of things. All the way at the end is vignette, and that makes a dark border around the edge. So I am now done. If I long press on the photo, you'll see the original. So that's the original. That's what I've done to it. What do you think? I like it. I just think it makes it more dramatic, and I am dramatic about my orchids.
Yes, you are.
Okay.